I think you got it for $99.
Very close. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to TeamKLoWhat Reviews.
In today's video, we have the Motorola
G7 Plus.
Wow, that is a nice name, I guess. G7 sounds like a plane. Sounds like a plane. One of the things that I also wanted to mention is that Motorola is an unlocked company. So that means you can use it with any carrier. It doesn't matter whatever phone company you have, you can use it with them. I didn't know that.
Yes.
So any phone from Motorola is an unlocked phone.
You go to the website, buy a phone. It works on AT&T now. T-Mobile.
Remember, there are different antennas. Are you sure there's?
So the reason why I'm saying that is because remember, this is a GMS phone, so it works on T-Mobile, AT&T, and remember, before we would have said Sprint, but so we're not gonna go with Sprint. But because it is a non-locked phone, I would recommend with most of the US carriers at work, I would say, please check with your individual carriers just for confirmation.
All right. Before we continue, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Also,
hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome videos.
All right, so let's open this bad boy up and see what it looks like. I'm excited.
Me too. In the sexy box, as you can see, we have the Motorola G7 Plus from Motorola. I mean, I do want to mention that the phone itself, it is a compact phone somewhat, so it comes about 6.7 inches.
That's not compact
on screen size, but it's very thin. So why don't you just take that baby out? All right, here we go.
Let's see what's on the box before we continue.
Yep, so it comes with the usual stuff inside the box. I mean, this is gonna be beautiful. This is a 27 watt power charger. So
super fast charger.
Yeah, it is a super fast charger. It does come with a micro
USB Type. No, it's a USB Type C.
USB Type C. That's what I meant.
Oh, yeah. You see, it is a fast charger. See the blue?
That blue baby. That means it's gonna charge it. Motorola claims is an all-day phone just for you, so that way you can, you know, set it to go. I do like this little button here on the side. See, it has like a dot of a different color.
I like that.
So yeah,
there's a power button.
Yeah, it's a power button, and on this side, nothing. On top, you have a couple of microphones, and right up here you have a microphone. Down here, you do have a standard headphone jack.
Wow,
which, you know,
I
love that, and the speaker down at the bottom. All right, so as you can see, nice fingerprint magnet. Look, it's just like
that's beautiful. You never see that.
I mean, it's normal. It's normal on any phone. Nothing on the right hand side. On the left hand side, we do have this nice color. Look, it's texture. Put your finger on it. You'll see it. So now we have a nice texture.
So you can tell the difference between what the power button is and also the volume up and down buttons.
Volume up and down is very nice and smooth. And right up here, we have a couple of microphones and the SIM and external memory. It comes with 64 gigabytes. Right in the back, for those of you who love it and miss it, a hard fingerprint reader. Unlike the new phones that have, you know, fingerprint. Oh wait, you have one of those phones that still has the thing in the back, sorry.
Yeah, so you don't, the good thing is it's a little bit far away from the camera, so you may not get it mixed, or you don't get that smudge on the camera.
As you can see,
it's a smudge magnet, but you're gonna put a cover on it.
Yeah, you should get a cover on it. 64 meg, and so let's power this baby on. Hopefully it has some juice. There we go, Android. You know, Motorola is well known internationally. So I just want to make sure, let's go over a couple of the really nice specs on this baby. As I mentioned before, it does come with 16 megapixel dual camera with optical image stabilization. All day battery, supposedly, can give you up to 12 hours, and it does have a 20.7 watt charger. It has Dolby audio, 2 stereo speakers. It does come with an octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, and so, you know, yeah, there we go. All right, so we're just gonna put on the code there, okay. All right, and as you can see, this baby is set to go. Before we unbox it, went through to kind of just sort of speed up the process and set everything up. When you get your phone, just remember to set up all your Google app and all your Google app stores. And I do want to mention that because it is an unlocked phone, you could use this with Google Fi, you could use it with just basically any carrier.
So you can actually, yeah, you can make a phone call and start working without even having it connected.
Yeah, you know, if you order the chip, just swap the chip from the old one to the new one, and that's it. You should be set to go.
So the phone seems to be pretty snappy. Obviously, new device. You said that it comes with a 64 gig card, external card.
It comes with a 64 built-in memory.
64, okay, so does it take any additional on the SD card? How much, up to how much you can put on it?
I believe it said 1 terabyte.
1 terabyte?
1 terabyte. Yep, it goes up to 1 terabyte.
On the external card?
On an external
I like that because my phone currently has it and most phones don't, and I miss it. I miss it and I still have it, to be honest.
Yeah, I think it goes up to 1 terabyte. Yeah, it says 1.8 gigahertz octa-core. Yeah, and a memory. Actually, no, my bad. It goes up to 512.
Okay.
So
it's a 512. Is it? But the battery. How many milliamps on that?
3,000 milliamp battery, and which is said that it lasts up to 24 hours on the standby mode. But apparently, it seems to be pretty good. Like I mentioned, full HD plus 403 pixels for those people who are PPI, for the PPI patrol.
So let's talk about the cameras on the phone. I see that it has 1 camera in the front, 2 cameras in the back.
Yes, so in the back you get 2 16 megapixel cameras, and like I mentioned, comes with optical image stabilization. And I do love their wide angle cameras. I think it's just, you know, Motorola has a ton of tricks. You know, they have the close, and when you shake the phone, it does unlock, so you can customize a lot of the Moto G7. This one is the Plus, so I do want to mention on their website is $249, but
here goes the bargain, ladies and gentlemen.
You know I did not pay $249 for this phone. What do you think I got it for?
I think you got it for $99.
Very close.
$149.
Nope. It was $110.
Wow.
You need to wait for those specials, and I'm telling you, after going from this, you can't go back. All right, so I wanted to mention that Motorola has been a pioneer since the start of the phone. They kind of fell back a little bit on their tracks, but they have a great lineup. So if you're looking for budget phones but are packed with specs, including 5G phones for about $300. If you get a good deal on the website, just wait for the one that you want and wait, you know, grab it when it's on sale.
Nowadays, what you get on the phone is basically, you know, the features mostly that we all like is the cameras. I think 16 megapixels, you really can't get much more than that at this point. So as long as the wide angle works, which is also something important that most people like to use. And
don't forget, I think that we're in a digital age. We're not printing pictures. So I think there's this whole idea, like Samsung, 104 megapixel camera. I'm like, it's just like,
I'm a Samsung kind of guy. So.
He's a Samsung, I'm an LG person.
Oh, LG. Bye-bye.
Bye, LG, I miss you. So if you wanted to see when we unboxed our previous phone, just check it out right here. We did the Motorola Edge, and I mean, it was just awesome.
Look, this phone feels good on the hand. It's not as big as you said before. I think it's a comfortable device for $110.
Yes, on the website it's $249 right now. Wait for the right time. I'm telling you, I snapped this. It was just like, I saw it and I grabbed it. It's from my tia in the Dominican Republic. She's gonna get a very nice gift from me.
All right, guys, thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this content. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.
Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of these awesome videos. Leave us a comment down below if you have this phone or Motorola phone. What's your favorite brand? We want to know.
We'll show you in a future video what are some of the features on this device. So thank you for watching. We'll see you on the next one.
TeamKLoWhat Reviews.